Hello, folks. Whew, it's cold outside. It's 10 degrees. We still gotta go out and feed. Let's head out that way. We probably have taken some hot water with us this morning. Well, the weatherman, he missed it a little bit again there. We got a little bit of snow, but not what they was calling for. Of course, I'm glad they missed it. We could use it, but I'm sure I'm glad he missed it. Now, folks, it sounds like I'm going to fall over or something there the way I'm breathing, but no. I've just seemed to have done that more ever since we had that old crud a while back. But no, every morning there we'll bring them out some hot water, and then throughout the day, if it's staying cold, checking on them and all. The one chicken coop, now this water here on the outside, it's froze up, but we've got inside, it's a pet dish. It keeps the water from freezing, and we keep them some of that inside the coop. Alrighty, I'd got that at Tractor Supply. It's just a pet water dish, and it's got a thermostat there and a little heater. It keeps it warm, keeps it from freezing. Look at that little baby there. Liza Jane's little baby. It's doing good. All that warm weather, and they wait till the coldest days. But that seems to be the way it always has been. Alrighty, and there's Miss Brownie's baby. And there's Blondie's. Chunky little feller. Alright, there's Liza Jane's. That little feller's come over here and curled up in the hay, taking it a nap. Back in the stall there, Miss Brownie. There's your baby. Now, Brownie, the last time, she had 5. This year, she just had 1. There's Miss Blondie again with hers. Alrighty, there's Miss Brownie's again. Now, down in here is Miss Mary's. She had 2. They're both doing good. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Let your friends know about us. And you have a great day. We'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.